Hi guys, today we're gonna make a blueberry cauliflower spinach smoothie. Don't let the cauliflower throw you off. The cauliflower is so good in here and it provides lots of vitamins and it's super low in calorie and high in fiber. It's really, really good. It adds like a creamy element to your smoothie, and it's a great way to use the core if you've made roasted cauliflower florets the night before, maybe, perhaps. And we're gonna add some frozen wild blueberries, which are great in it too. You know how good blueberries are for you. And we're gonna add some baby spinach. You can add whatever hearty green you like. You can add kale, you can add collard greens, whatever you want. And you can throw a bunch of stuff in here too. It's totally up to you. It's your smoothie, but it's going to be awesome, really good for you. And this is a combo that I make all the time. We're also going to add some hemp protein powder. It's really good for you. It's organic and it's low in calorie, low in fat, high in fiber, and high in protein. It's really, really good. I add it to my smoothies all the time. Okay, let's get started. I have my Vitamix here. You can use any high-powered blender that you have. First, we're going to add our cauliflower. Next, we're going to add our organic wild blueberries. Let's add our organic hemp protein powder. Well, it's organic hemp powder and it's naturally high in protein. So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of that. Low in calorie, low in fat. It doesn't have any flavor, so it's really, really good in these smoothies. And I'm gonna add a handful of organic baby spinach in there. So you've got your protein, your vitamins, your fiber. I'm gonna add half of a banana just to sweeten it up and also give it a little extra creaminess, although the cauliflower will give you some creaminess. Half of a banana. I'm going to add some half almond milk and coconut milk blend, and this is unsweetened vanilla. You can add regular milk or you can add any other milk substitute that you like. Goat's milk, almond milk, oat milk. All right, so let's blend this up. Okay, I think that's done. Let's take it out and pour it into a yummy glass. I have these milkshake glasses that I got at the dollar store. I love them. Please pardon the plastic straw. I normally use my metal straws, but they kind of clogged. The last time we drink smoothies so much, the last time I went to use them, they were clogged and I forgot to get more. But this one will do right now. So here's what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. And cold because of the frozen blueberries. Can't even taste the cauliflower. It's so good. You could even experiment with different kinds of protein powder too. You can add your vanilla protein powder or even peanut butter protein powder. That would be good. But this is a go-to trying to, cut calories but still get all my nutrition because the warmer months are coming. It's yummy.